Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Hi, Akshat here, and in the next few minutes please listen to me carefully. So would you like tap into red hot $194 billion industry right now, and create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself technique? If that caught your interest, then I've great news for you today. Presenting AI GameZone, the world's first AI-based 100% DFY gaming affiliate site builder with thousands of DFY games to get unlimited targeted traffic, affiliate sales and leads. With AI GameZone you can start your own gaming site or gaming agency in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create your account and your site ready with DFY Games Boom. Step 2. Enter your payment details like PayPal, Stripe, Wire or anything. Step 3. Start profiting by AI GameZone with every sale of any game or even playing games on your site. Here are some of its amazing features. Create and sell unlimited, fully automated gaming affiliate sites. Tap into red-hot $196 billion gaming industry right now. Loaded with thousands of DFY world-famous games to sell right away. Free domain and blazing fast SSD hosting included. Inbuilt SEO and ads placement feature. 100% AI-based and cloud-based platform. Pay once and get profit forever without any restrictions. Add your affiliate link in any game or site. Upload your own games and sell them to hungry customers. Start your own gaming agency without any hassle. Sell unlimited games at any cost. Commercial license included. No limitations. Completely free. No special skills or experience required. Ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. And we're not alone. Over 150 top agency owners, marketers and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with AI GameZone. Till now AI GameZone has built 9,200 plus affiliate gaming platform without any hassle. It's huge, and now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it's come with a commercial and agency license which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.